420 RC Jones here again. Give me a little bit of a different video here today. I'm gonna take you around the property and show you what it is that I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be flinging ramps and whatnot on the driveway. No. I got more in store. So for today, I'm gonna be doing that. But I fixed my little buddy, the big rock. Turnbuckles, all done. Put a new bumper on her, T-bone racing. Hopefully she'll be a whole lot better, more durable. All right, let's go. All right, so let's go. All right, so like I said, I'm not gonna need ramps today. What I'm gonna do is show you around the place. Hopefully, it's not too windy. Make sure you guys can see everything. All right, hopefully it's not too windy for you. I think you can actually hear me. So here, use this here as an entrance. My plan, is to not do that. But anyway, my plan is to turn this here. I'm gonna use from here. See where this equipment is there? From that way, going down there, come across about halfway and come back here. I want to turn this into an RC park. Personal one, possibly available for private rentals as well. Private parties, private bashes, whatever it is. But yeah, let me get this thing flipped back over. Yeah. Yep, looks like it's kind of tilting. I gotta adjust that. Anyway, I would like to have, I'm not sure the place and everything, but what I want to have is I want to have a bashing section for ramps and whatnot, doing all types of stuff like that. And then I also like to have a small track for, buggies or something. I don't have any buggies yet, but I do plan to get some. The bashing thing start there, or I don't know, maybe have the track start there, and I stand up on that mound that's over there. See that mound? I stand up on there, and then you can do the track. Smaller track, one around there. I don't know what scale. Maybe maximum 10 scale track. I don't know, probably smaller. But anyway, come on over here. See what these posts are, maybe. Make this a bashing section. Ramps, fling them up, go all down and whatnot. Should be fun. It's not too windy. You can actually hear me. I'm gonna try covering this thing from the window and see if it helps. But yeah, I've also got a pond here. I intend to get some smaller scale RC boats. I don't know anything about RC boats, nothing, zero. I'm gonna learn. Small ones. This is a Horseshoe Peninsula right there. Goes all around. So we had a little dry season I heard last year, so it's a little low, but I can always get that filled. Chuck in some water. And take you out to the other side. Show you. Stick this little buddy in here. Yeah, I hope it's not too windy. Try to cover this thing up. Like I'm using a mic, so hopefully that helps. It's a nice little peninsula in here. Got a fire pit. I'm gonna fix this up real nice. Landscaping done. So yeah, see? Comes around. All around. Oh. A long brush there. I'll go on to the other side to show you. Oh, yeah, I definitely gotta adjust that wheel. It's towed in too much. It's going to was it right? Left. It's going to the left. Ignore what looks to be a grave site. I don't know what that is. I think it's a dog underneath there. Anyway, there's the rest of it there. So I might have to truck in some water to get this thing leveled up a bit more. Alright. Run some boats. I don't know, I saw this little cool one that had a crocodile head. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. It's a crocodile head. It's a boat, it's a crocodile head. Around in there. There's that wind again. Hopefully you could hear me. Yeah. And then back here, this is gonna be family yard. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah. So yeah, nice little side view. Boats, bashing, track, and up there somewhere, not sure, but you can see those tables over there. I'm gonna grab those tables. Not sure where I'm gonna put them, but maybe make a little mini crawling track. I don't know what it's called, crawling, whatever you call it. I got a little axial, what, 28 scale? 24 scale? I can't remember. I think it's 28 scale. Love it. Great for indoors, great for small crawls. I'll eventually get a bigger one. What's your recommendation? Drop a recommendation in the comments for a crawler. Yeah, this here. Maybe I'll clean up some of this brush here and use this part as a crawling field. Track, crawling field up here. I don't know. So yeah, you see what it looks like here. Let me know what you think I should do. How about I show you some of the tools I'm going to use. There's a lot of fun stuff back there. There's a tractor back there. Let's take a quick look at it. Closer look. Ignore the mess. Yeah, here's a tractor. Got a bucket at the front. You guys saw the tiller at the back. Let's scrape at the back. Tiller and the other pull more. I've got this ATV here. I've got the zero turn, the sprayer. Got a whole lot of tools there. Yeah, I'm equipped. Woo, nice. Let me know what you think. Yeah, up here, this is just the driveway. Maybe I'll continue to boot some ramps or something here. I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that toe. I gotta fix that. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. This might make a nice little crawling spot here. Right here. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, what do you guys think of my plan? All that down there. Cut it down the middle. Not down the middle. Say about a third of it. There to there. And use the pond. I think it's a good idea. It'll be fun. Uh-oh. Yeah, let me get this thing back. Oh! Oh yeah, that bumper's working out nicely. T-bone. good. Yeah, something's up here. Something's funky. I think this battery's kind of... Alright guys, I'm gonna fix this up, do all the little adjustments I need to do. See that tire's and get that right. Check out what's going on with electronics. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my plans and see what you guys think. Alright, so I want to get some more interaction with you guys. I want to talk back with you. So let me know in the comments what you think. Give me some suggestions, some insights. If you've made one before, give me some tips. Oh, what's up guys? Let me know. Alright, so signing off once again. Hopefully I'll have Creighton or the Big Rock, sorry, not the Big Rock, the fire team parts back and get those back up and running. Maybe I'll run the LMP next. Not there, I'm not gonna break it again. Anyway, take care guys. Till the next one. See you later.